Hi, welcome to session. Today we discuss about the working capital. Working capital is nothing but we are calculation of the current asset minus current liabilities. Various others different meaning of the working capital. According to Subin, working capital is the amount of funds necessary to cover the cost of operating expenses. Working capital is the amount of funds necessary to cover the cost of operating the enterprises. Then what are the concept of gross and net working capital? The term working capital, cross working capital or wider sense used synonymously, it is referred to current asset of a business organization. Current asset or assets either in the term of cash or converted into the cash without a short period time within the short period time of is called as current asset. For example, cash in hand, it is the cash in hand, or either cash in bank balance, also current asset. Then next one is bills receivable. The organization, they are receiving the bills amount from the various customers. It is the one of the current asset, because we are receiving the amount is called as asset. It is a bills receivable, one of the current asset. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors is the one of the current asset. Then short term loans and advances. It is the loan and advances is calculated as the current asset. Then included in the current asset, inventories of stock. It is included in the stock of raw materials, work in process, stores and finished goods. These are all included in the inventories of stock. Then next one is temporary investment. It is also called as the current asset. And prepaid expenses, they are next year we are paying the particular amount, based on that we are advanced payment of particular expenses is called as the current asset. Then accrued income, these are all the calculated as the current asset. Cross working capital concept, in the view, business entrepreneurs earn profit with the help of asset, both fixed asset and the current asset, because business entrepreneurs earn profit through with the help of asset. That asset is classified into two. One is current asset, another one is fixed asset. There are some similarities between the fixed asset and current asset. Both are partially funded by the borrowing. Both are expected to earn at least over and above the interest cost. A current asset needed to be considered as the working capital. Management of an entrepreneur is concerned with the availability of the total current asset. It is the rather than with the sources of funds. Management increased investment in a business enterprise result increase in the working capital. In that, working capital is a narrow sense. Net working capital with the excess of current asset over the current liabilities. Net working capital. Net working capital, we calculate the current asset minus current liabilities. Okay, now already we see about the what are all the current asset: cash at bank, cash at hand, bills receivable, inventories, temporary investors, prepaid expenses, then etc. These are all the current asset. What are all the current liabilities? Bills payable, sundry creditors, accrued outstanding expenses, short-term loans, dividend payable, bank overdraft, provision for taxation. These are included in the current liabilities. So we find out the net working capital particular organizations, what are the list out the current asset amount, add in the all the current asset amount minus we list out the what are the current liabilities, add in the all the amount of current liabilities from current asset to current liabilities. We can subtract that, we find out the net working capital. Thank you.